Hello and welcome. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw Sasuke's Mangekyo Sharingan. If you are a beginner, I suggest you check out how to draw the normal Sharingan first. There's a video on the card and in the description. And if you're not, let's begin. Just like the previous step-by-step tutorial, this square is 2.5 by 5 centimeters. I will also have the dimensions for this in the description. First, we need to draw a curved line to form the top of the eye and then another line for the bottom part. After that, we add the eyelashes by emphasizing the top part of the eye we just sketched. In the reference I'm using, the character's eye is bleeding. So I'll add this detail now. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I think it looks cool, so... Moving on, we are adding the eyelid. We are going to do that by drawing a line following the top part of the eye. And then we are going to add the eyebrow the same way, by making it follow the shape of the eye. Let's sketch the actual eye. There are a lot of ways to do this. One is by drawing a circle and then marking 8 points that we are later going to connect to form the Mangekyo Sharingan. This method will make the eye look like a clock, so you can use that as a reference if it makes it easier for you. Before we start inking our sketch, we are going to add some final details around the eye. Once we are done, we are going to use a micron 0.3 to trace our sketch, and then a micron 0.1 and a 0.05 unipin for the smaller details. Lastly, before coloring the drawing, we are going to use the 0.05 unipin to add more details inside the eye. Also, we want to erase this sketch underneath because it will affect the colors that we are going to add. For the coloring of this drawing, we are using COPIC markers. I'm using an R29 Lipstick Red for the eye and the blood, and then an R59 Cardinal for the darker areas of the drawing, as well as an N1 neutral grey to add some more depth to it. Finally, we are adding the highlights using COPIC Opaque White. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share it. And if you like content like this, consider subscribing. That way you help my channel grow and you help me make more videos. See you in the next video.